In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Suno account to a Pro or Premier plan. If you've been using the free tier and want more features or higher limits, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can pick the plan that fits your needs. Start by heading to suno.com. If you're new to the platform, create an account by following the on-screen prompts. If you already have an account, simply log in. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile so the upgrade applies to the right account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side menu. You'll see a section that shows your credits or credit balance. Right under that, there's an option labeled Upgrade. If your sidebar is minimized, expand it so the labels are visible. Finding this upgrade option is the key because it takes you straight to the premium choices. Click Upgrade to open the premium upgrade page. Here, you'll see two main plans. The Pro plan starts at $10 per month, and the Premier plan starts at $30 per month. On this screen, you can review the brief descriptions of each plan to understand what you get at each level, like usage limits and any added capabilities. Use those descriptions to match the plan to how intensively you plan to use Suno. You'll also notice a billing toggle for monthly or yearly. If you switch to yearly billing, you can save up to 20% compared to paying month to month. With the yearly option selected, the Pro plan effectively comes down to $8 per month, and the Premier plan comes down to $24 per month. Keep in mind that those amounts are the monthly equivalents of an annual charge, so the total for the year is billed up front. As you compare, think about how consistently you'll use the service. Monthly billing offers flexibility if you're testing the waters or have short-term needs. Yearly billing is great if you know you'll be using Suno regularly and want to lock in the lower rate. Also note that pricing and available features can change over time or vary by region, so rely on what you see on the upgrade page at the moment you're making your choice. That's the entire process. Go to suno.com and sign in, open the upgrade option under your credits, review the Pro and Premier plans, and if it makes sense for you, switch to yearly to see the discounted rates. With these steps, you'll be ready to select the plan that aligns with your goals and budget.